Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Those who are new, guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me today. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Those who are here, thank you guys so much for your support. Today we will be making the most delicious moist lemon cake. Alright, these are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. So guys, if you're ready, let's get started. To my flour, I will be adding 1 pack of lemon pudding mix, some baking soda, lemon zest, and we will whisk that in the flour. Make sure everything is nice and combined. I'll be adding some salt and whisk that in also. Now to my mixer, I'll be adding some butter at room temperature and I'll mix that. Then I'll add my sugar. Whisk until it becomes nice and fluffy like that. I'll go in with my vanilla extract and I'll add 1 egg at a time and continue to mix. Now I'll add my lemon juice. Smells amazing, guys. And my lemon extract. Now I'll go in with my flour a little bit at a time and continue to mix. It is so fragrant in here right now, guys. This is a super delicious moist cake and it is a must try. We will oil and flour a pan, and then we pour the mixture into the pan, and we will bake this in a 350 degrees oven. And this is the result after 20 minutes. To know this is done, you insert a skewer, and if it comes out clean, your cake is done. Yep, so we will let this cool on a baking rack. I upturned mine so I can remove the pan, and let's see what it looks like. OMG. Guys, look at this cake. This is our delicious moist lemon cake. It almost looks unreal. Oh my goodness. So we will allow this to cool, and now we will make our lemon cream cheese frosting. I have some cream cheese, some powdered sugar. I'll whisk that in together. Make sure everything is nice and combined. Then I add my lemon juice. As I mentioned, guys, the list of the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. And this is the result of our cake. It is super delicious, moist, and it's a definite must try. Okay guys, again, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video. All right, thank you so much again for allowing me into your homes and for spending the time with me. Look at that cake, absolutely amazing, and I must tell you, it is super delicious. Once again, thank you. Enjoy. Bye bye.